Supply chain attacks in manufacturers are up 51%. Are your systems ready? You're receiving the CyberStreams System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, why aerospace manufacturers must secure their supply chain now. At CyberStreams, we help aerospace manufacturers protect their operations from cyber threats. Supply chain attacks in manufacturing jumped 51% in 2024, with aerospace firms hit hard, according to IBM's X-Force. These attacks exploit weak links, vendors, partners, or outdated systems, costing millions in downtime and lost contracts. A small Seattle aerospace firm came to us facing a ransomware attack through an unsecured web portal. It halted production for days, risking a major contract. CyberStreams stepped in, isolated the breach, restored systems, and implemented NIST 800-171 compliant controls to secure their supply chain. Your business can't afford these disruptions. Aerospace manufacturers must act now. First, audit your supply chain. Map all vendors and assess their security with tools like NIST's Cyber Supply Chain Risk Management. Second, deploy endpoint protection. Modern solutions block 95% of ransomware before it spreads. Third, train your team. Regular drills cut phishing success rates by 80%. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, map your supply chain. Use NIST tools to identify weak links. CyberStreams can run a full audit to secure your vendors. Second, deploy endpoint protection. Install advanced ransomware defenses. CyberStreams offers solutions tailored for aerospace. And third, train your team regularly. Run phishing drills to keep staff vigilant. And our 2-minute micro trainings make it easy. Need more details? Click below or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com if this feels urgent. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.